going to Chicago with my sister. Look in the mirror.
Hey!
And her friend Matt. And we're gonna shoot some photos. So yeah, we're about to embark on a 45-minute, very boring, long train ride to Chicago.
It's like an hour.
Actually, yeah, it's like an hour. There's no bathrooms, and I really have to go to the bathroom, like really, really badly. So I have to wait for the train, which is, if you could see, all the way down there. Look at that. I think that's urine in the sink. Holy shit. This is the most disgusting bathroom I have ever been in. Excited to take some good pictures.
It's like, no, it's caramel corn and cheese, and you mix it together. Caramel corn and cheese.
Okay, so we're at Chicago, downtown. Let's check it out.
We're going this way.
I'm really excited. It's kind of loud out here, but we're making our way.
Ow!
This is huge. Why are people so social in the city? How many people are out here? Let's find him bike. Crazy.
Did you see that guy's haircut?
Okay, really quick. We're in this church in Chicago. It's like the sickest thing ever. You gotta check this out. Check that out. Look at how far the city is. I'm really tired, but we're coming back from Chicago, and we took a lot of good pictures, mostly these two people.
Show the hole in your pants.
And yeah, I have a really big hole in my pants. It's like really big. Yeah.
They got like 10 times bigger.
I know. But these two are like the photo masterminds. So when you see the photos in the video, it's because of these two. But yeah, I had some good ones. I had some good ones too. I will like put it under the caption which ones are mine. Alright. See you guys later.
Let me tell y'all what it's like being male, middle class and white. It's a bitch if you don't believe. Listen up to my new CD, Sham On. I got shit running through my brain, so intense that I can't explain. All alone in my white boy pain. Shake your booty while the band complains. I'm rocking the suburbs, just like Michael Jackson did. I'm rocking the suburbs, except that he was talented. I'm rocking the suburbs, I take the checks and face the facts. This some producer with computers mixes all my shitty tracks. singing the McDonald's line. Mom and Dad, you made me so uptight. Gonna cuss on the mic tonight. Don't know how much I can take. Girl, give me something I can break. I'm rocking the suburbs, just like Quiet Riot did. I'm rocking the suburbs.